So my name is Guillaume Sénéchal. I'm 28. I will be 29 in 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks now. And I work as I direct an association that is opening, sharing space for artists and public. Let's say to do that short.
We met, dance together, have so much fun, discuss so much, and I felt like so familiar with him instantaneously.
Just a little light, a little bubble of comfort. And when I met her, what I liked is that it was as I might be with her, so easy, I like the way you meet person like her, that you don't need to talk that much. We met, like she said, dancing, and we met and we danced and then we did stuff, and I don't even know if I knew her name, her age, it was just, we went in the same way, and you can bring her to your, your way and your crazy travel, and then it's easy, I think those kind of people, it's hard to say what you like, you just don't know. It's just easy and you're the way you are, and just as I was talking about the couple, it's like you are stronger together. I'm sure that when we were moving, when we were doing our stuff, we were like, a big bubble of fire, that was just lighting everyone, A big techno party with 5,000 people in an amusement park. I think that's, that speaks for itself. I guess it's human contact, the way I can spread my energy and give it to others, so they can use it. And as how I can maybe make everyone really feel special, because I take time with everyone and I put the same interest on everyone. He's my superpower as well. He has the same superpower as I do. Lyon, I will make it maybe less squared, about Lyon. But my country, I will make it maybe more free, just more easygoing. Little by little, I keep on having more and more friends, contact people all over the world, and I kept that still there. Someone that met me a few years ago, if I go around, if I see him, I will be the same. He will recognize me, I kept this, I think. Let's say tomato, because it's fresh and sunny. Nothing, just nothing from a friend. No, I'm joking. I expect from a friend that is just there and that doesn't like, I don't know, that he respect the way I'm doing it, that's it. Really important. Yeah, really important is that I need, I feel always better alone when I know that I have many people around, That's how I made stuff, so I need friends, and they are like, I don't know, they make me better, and I'm always doing the best when I'm surrounded by people, It's a way, maybe an image I want to have or to spread. So every time I'm better alone as a person when I'm surrounded with people, because I give, and then I have back, So it makes me more powerful. Like for a couple, if you said that this person is great, and when they are together, they are just even better as person, And that's what. Yes, I do have time for my friends, Sometimes I have some periods, some friends I see more than other, but they're always here, I see some people sometimes every 6 years, every 7 years, but they are there, And something that is there, and I talk about, is that they are really there. There is sometimes I really, like all my day, all the time I have this person, these faces there, and I'm thinking about them all the time. I have like thousands of faces that are there, and they are just there. I can see it, So I have time for there, and they are there actually, It depends on the area, The southwest is not always, the north is tougher, the south is easier, but it depends on southeast or southwest. For example, southwest is a place where your neighbor is your friend, you know. Lyon is a city where I live, where I guess for a lot of people it can be hard. It's well known to have great people, but you need to break, you know, this little circle, because it's a big city where you feel well. So a lot of people grew up there, were born there, and their parents as well. So because you can grow up, you can study, you can do stuff. So, and a lot of people come back as well. So there is this community of people that know each other from ages, you know. But as soon as if you open and you get in, yeah, it will be easy going, you know. So yeah, that's in between, you know. That's in between. Yeah. There is no more to say about that. Of course there is. I have so many examples, you know. So many. It's even easier, you know. Sometimes this moment that your friend who is a girl is like with no sexuality. You don't see that it's a woman or a man. It's just this person, and you don't even remember if she's beautiful or not, hot if you like her. She's just there and that person, and you know this thing that can start is just disappear totally. So yeah, of course we can. My friend that I'm sending you to is Thomas. Thomas is living in Portugal now. He's half Portuguese, but he's from France as well. At this moment he's just in between. He's a guy who traveled a lot. Like I don't know, he made 100 or 150 countries in his life before DJ, and now as director of cultural structure. That's how we connect at the right place with the cultural managing project stuff. I like the way he's like straight, you know, in a way that is really open, of course, to discover and to people and to traveling, and something that really impressed me is the way he work and do his stuff really seriously. Like he's a guy, I don't know, it feels like he go really deep in the stuff that interests him to understand, to know everything. So in history, in many kind of stuff, he has like just an open mind like this, and he grabs so much information. He has a really good criticism spirit, you know. He do his stuff, but always on his like the values he have, and I don't know. He never sleeps. He never sleep. When we were at school together, he was, I don't know, I was going to bed. He was still there on computer, just digging, looking at some stuff, making his music, and waking up at 7, and he was still there, you know. And he really impressed me, and he was a big as well. I don't know, person to lead, you know, like. Person I respect, and so he always tried to connect me as well with his project, and he has a force of doing what he wants to do, you know, and doing it so well, you know, go deep to. He's a perfectionist, maybe I would say, and yeah, maybe he's too okay with everything. It's okay, I'm fine with it, yeah, no problem. Sometimes Kelly, no. You owe me 10 euros. No, I'm joking. I would say go to hell. He'd understand. I love you.